Hi all, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Let's start rebooting work using UiPath. In today's session, we are going to discuss about delete queue. So first of all, let me understand what mean by delete queue and how it has been used. So delete queue is used to delete a business transaction item which is added into queue. It helps to delete that particular item. So for an example, if you are wrongly added any item into the queue, so you are planning, you have to delete that. Okay. So during those phase, the delete queue will be helpful for you to delete. Okay, so you can delete in either two ways, which is from studio to you can pause that particular thing, you can delete over there, or you can directly go to the orchestrator premises and then you can delete over there. So either two ways will be works over here. Okay, let me quickly jump back to the studio. Let me search for queue. So you can see delete queue, right? So delete queue, drag and drop this delete queue. So this delete queue particularly need an input which is enumerable queue item. Okay, enumerable queue item. So first of all, let me understand what need to be deleted, how we are going to indicate which item going to be deleted. So those things we are not defined, right? So we are not till now we are not defined how which thing need to be deleted, correct? So we have to define this thing. So like how will we like knowing which item need to be deleted from the queue? So with the help of get queue item. So what get queue item will do? The get queue item will read each and every item from the queue and it will stack in a particular list. Okay, so from that list we can like tell the delete queue items to delete a particular item which need to be deleted. For an example, so if the new status item need to be deleted, then what you can do, you can usually directly use this particular delete queue item to delete these items. So let me give the queue name over here. Okay, let me go to the orchestrator. Okay, copy the queue name, go here, go to studio, double quotes queue name. Okay, so we have a output, correct? So make a control K. Okay, make a control K. So just make it q value, sorry, q value. Okay, enter, copy this. Okay, and you can pass this output as a input over here. Okay, directly you can as input over here. Okay, so till now what actually we have seen, so we have to identify which item need to be deleted, that will be understand with the help of get queue item. So get queue item will read the all item which is in the queue. Okay, it will help you to it will help you to understand which item need to be deleted. You can use a for each and you can use a condition like this, or else you can use in any ways. Okay, so let me show in both ways. Okay, first of all, so here you can see something called as queue item states, right? So if you are filtering only new, okay, if you are filtering only new, what actually the get queue item will do, it will start reading only the new items which is in queue, and it will delete it. Okay, it will delete the entire new items. Okay, none of them will be left alone. Okay, so if you want to delete only one particular item, so which is new, what you can do, you can drag a if condition. Okay, can drag a if condition. Okay, and then you have to make a conversion over here. Okay, so you can drag a conversion and you have to change this particular data type. Okay, and then you have to delete. So let me make it very simple so that you'll be very clear about how to make use of this delete queue item. Okay, so let me save this and let me run this. So soon after I run this, so all the new items which is in queue will be deleted. Before that, let me go to the queue and check once. Queue transaction. You can see more items, right? So as I discussed on yesterday, this item is abandoned. Why this is abandoned? So because it is in progress for more than 24 hours, that's why it got abandoned. Okay, so what you can do, so you can save this and we can run this now. Okay, once we are run, what will happen? So all the new items will be marked as deleted in the queue now. But started running. The execution looks like the execution is done. Let me check over here. Yep, it is done. Let me go here. Let me click on refresh. See, you can see something called as deleted, correct? All the items got deleted now. Okay, you can easily delete from here. So or else, so if you want to delete from from here, okay. So from here you have to delete. So what you have to do, you have to select the particular item and then you have to remove. Okay, so remove it made as this item as deleted. You have to understand only one thing over here. So if in a particular queue item it is in progress state, if it is in progress state, that item cannot be deleted. Okay, apart from the in progress state, each and every item can be deleted using this delete activity, or you can directly come here to Orchestrator and you can mark this particular item, okay, which I have did now. So this, click on this item, okay, so and then remove. So which help you to do the same action which you have done on studio, from studio to Orchestrator, okay. But if a transaction item, if your queue item is in progress state, that cannot be deleted, okay. Yeah, so I guess you got more things about how the delete queue items will works in from the studio to Orchestrator, and how can directly delete the particular queue item from the studio. I hope this video will be more like informative to understand like how the delete queue will works. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.